Okay, so I'm giving you two options. You have to choose one out of them, and the one that you don't choose, you have to live without it for a week. So your options are a toilet and a mobile phone. What would you choose? Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
It's very confusing. Sorry, what do you say?
I mean, I've never used public toilet. I would prefer going to the coffee shop and buying a coffee and then using that one.
So do you know the amount of people in India that still defecate in the open?
Lot of people.
हमने किया हिमाचल साइड में, उत्तराखंड साइड में मजा बहुत आता है खुले में करने का.
Hi, my name is Deeksha. I am from the Flush Mob. The Flush Mob is an organization working to improve sanitation conditions in India. Today, in partnership with the Quick Reaction team, we went out asking people questions about sanitation. Check out these amazing weird reactions they gave. So I'm giving you two choices and you have to choose one out of it, and the one that you don't choose, you have to live a week without it. So your options are a toilet and a mobile phone. What would you choose?
Oh, that's like a really tough question. How?
ऐसा कह रहे मैडम, हफ्ता कौन रोक के रखेगा?
A mobile. Obviously, a mobile phone.
So that means you can live a week without a toilet?
Yeah. Indeed, mobile is important, but yeah, I cannot live without the phone, but I can live without a toilet. Phone is important.
Mobile phone. Mobile phone.
So you're trying to say that you can live without a toilet for a week? तो मतलब आप ये कहना चाहते हो कि आप टॉयलेट के बिना एक हफ्ते तक रह सकते हो?
No. नहीं.
सेल फोन के बिना रह सकते हैं, टॉयलेट के बिना नहीं रह सकते.
मोबाइल के बिना चल जाएगा, टॉयलेट के बिना नहीं चलेगा.
Without that you cannot live, right?
Exactly. Without mobile,
You can live.
you can live.
Phone is more important. Yeah, any other out there, you would say that phone is more important.
I would say sanitation is important, but nowadays people prefer mobile phones more over anything else.
What would you choose?
A toilet.
Mobile phone.
Because girlfriend is my priority.
So whoever has chosen a mobile phone, can you guys live a week without a toilet?
No.
I can take bottle and went out.
So that is open defecation.
Yes.
So you supporting open defecation?
Yes, I'm sporting.
Alright, so do you know the amount of people in India that still defecate in the open?
It's like around, I read one survey, it was around 65% around.
If we study the stats or the analysis basically, which is the rural basically, importance of sanitation is generally a future concern. Presenting our economy as a whole, we are going to suffer in the long term. So to avoid those things, sanitation is must.
So do you know the amount of people in India that still defecate in the open?
Quite a lot of people. I mean, I can't be able to give you figures, but yes,
I think
more.
must be more than 50 crores or 70
Yeah.
crores or more than that.
The scenario is very serious. It's very choking. Around 2.5 billion people around the globe don't have access to toilets, and if you talk about India, then 650 million people don't have access to toilet, and it's a very serious issue.
In the city also, we can hear that there are so many toilets, but still the males always try to do in an open one.
Okay, so do you know the amount of people in India that still defecate in the open?
Yes. Sometimes I do as well.
क्या कभी आपने किया है?
हमने किया हिमाचल साइड में, उत्तराखंड साइड में मजा बहुत आता है खुले में करने का.
Why do you think the toilet is very important?
Obviously, मतलब necessity है. We would pee. I mean,
I can't control it.
What is the importance of a toilet?
What's the importance of toilet? I have to go every hour for a pee. So, what's the importance?
So do you know the nearest toilet around here? Do you know the nearest toilet around here?
I mean, I've never used public toilet. I would prefer going to the coffee shop and buying a coffee and then using that one. I'll never go because it's stinky, it's dirty. I can't think to go there.
People use it and don't flush it off. And then they throw tissue papers in the pots, which is, I think, will hamper the entire draining system.
Basically, India is one of the one of the major tourist attraction. And if there's no sanitation in our country, so there will be more diseases, and that attractiveness
will become in a repulsion. People won't come to Delhi. And one more thing, when there is a proper hygienic atmosphere, you are a positive person, and even you can connect with the nature more.
The Arjun Run is basically a day to celebrate the World Toilet Day. On this day, we basically do awareness campaigns. We run for this cause, and we tell people on this day that why sanitation or why the having toilets is very important, why we should have safe sanitations. And we basically tell people, we include a lot of school students, we include college people, we include young crowd, because they are the future of the country. And we tell them that if you take these small initiatives to have better ways of sanitation, then it will really make a change in the society. Viewers of QRT can support us by sharing the videos, because I think that will make a lot of difference, because once the videos reach out to people, they will understand the cause that we are working on, and they can also donate us through their website.
Subscribe to our channel and share our videos.
Check out theflashmob.com.
Donate us.
Join us as volunteers.
Join them all.
Follow us on Instagram for unseen pictures and videos. If you like our video, hit the subscribe button and get our fresh videos first. Find us on Facebook and do the regular like and share. Until then, goodbye.
So, what if you find out one day that your partner has AIDS?
Partner has AIDS.
Do you know the capital of Pakistan?
Lahore.
No.
Is it Karachi?
No.
I don't